How to create a recovery drive on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make a bootable USB you can use to troubleshoot or reinstall Windows if your PC won't start. First, plug in an empty USB flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes of storage. After that, click on the Start menu and type Recovery Drive in the search bar. Let me show you. From there, click on Create a Recovery Drive from the search results. At this point, click on Yes if prompted for administrative permission. In the next step, check the box next to Backup System Files to the recovery drive if you want the option to fully reinstall Windows later. Following this, click on Next to continue. Once done, select your USB drive from the list of available drives. From here, click on Next once your correct drive is selected. At this stage, click on Create to begin, since this will erase everything currently on the USB drive. Keep in mind, if you check the System Files box, you'll need a larger drive, closer to 32 or 64 gigabytes. Otherwise, 16 gigabytes is usually enough. Finally, click on Finish once the process completes and safely eject the USB drive. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a recovery drive on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.